In today's lesson, you will learn how to use the word this and actually also that and the in Czech. This car, that house, this pool, using the correct grammar and gender. Let's get to it. Ahoj, já jsem Kateřina, jsem učitelka češtiny pro cizince and welcome back to another lesson in my From Zero to A1 course in Czech. In English, the word the or the demonstrative pronoun that can be translated to Czech in three different ways. Ten, ta, to. How is that possible? Well, ten is used for nouns of masculine gender such as ten kamarád, ten kolega. Ta for the feminine gender such as ta učitelka. To for the neutral such as to dítě. If you're unsure of what is the gender or how to differentiate Czech nouns into its proper gender, then it's time to check the previous lesson because you need to know how to differentiate the gender correctly before you start putting ten, ta, to to the nouns. Just so you know, the same system applies for the form tenhle, tahle, tohle, which simply translates as this. And it is used when you are pointing at something specific that you can actually see in front of you. Tohle auto, tenhle kamarád, tahle židle. Is that kind of clear? If not, let me know in the comments down below. Now let's try all of this in practice. Do the exercise number 1 in your exercise sheet. First, you just evaluate which gender the word is. If you're unsure how to, watch the previous lesson. For example, we have a word kavárna. Kavárna ends on a, so it's feminine. Therefore, if you want to say that cafe, you will say ta kavárna. Actually, that's a name of quite a cute cafe in Prague. Now let's see the answers. Any questions? Drop them down in the comment section down below. I will answer all of them. Are you sure about the meanings of the words in the exercise 1? To learn them, do the exercise number 2 now. Answer the question, what is it? Co to je? About the pictures you see. You will see a picture and you will write one of the words from the previous exercise under it. And now let's see the answers. Actually, I have a 2-question quiz about the Czech Republic for you. I'm curious if anyone gets it. First question, can you guess which city is in the 7th picture? It's quite a picturesque Czech town. And my second quiz question is, can you tell me the name of the actress from the 12th picture? She's quite a famous name in the Czech Republic. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? I'm interested who will get both of them right. And now let's get back to Tentato for a wee bit more. Do you know why Tentato is also really useful? Because based on these, you also change the endings of the number 1 in Czech. For example, number 1 in Czech can be jeden, jedna, or jedno, depending on the gender of the following noun. All of them just mean one. For example, one man, jeden muž. One woman, jedna žena. One child, jedno dítě. Now I want to remind you that a huge part of this course is online vocabulary app. It's not really possible to remember all of the vocabulary from this course just from watching these lessons. You need to practice the vocabulary regularly, and for that we have the online vocabulary app. There you can practice all of the Czech words from this course in a fun and interactive way. Check the link in the description. For homework, complete today's lesson in the online vocabulary app and finish the homework section in your exercise sheet. And now a final challenge for today. You see that small like button right there under the video? Your challenge is to smash it. That will let me know that you're enjoying these lessons, but also help these lessons spread to more foreigners in the Czech Republic. If you want to keep in touch, connect with me on Facebook and Instagram. And if you would like to support me and help me produce more content and get more personal assistance from me, then support me on my Patreon as well. Link in the description. Keep learning, keep studying, and I will see you again in the next video. Měj se hezky, díky a ahoj.